What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can take off the light from your cluster because the car won't turn on, and I believe they changed the instrument cluster, so we're gonna reprogram it. And stay tuned to see how we're gonna turn on this car. Anti-theft light is flashing, so that means it's not programmed, it won't turn on. So first thing we have to do is read the pin. I already did the pin. It takes about 10 minutes to read the pin number, so I already got this, and you need Wi-Fi to do this. So I'm just going to cancel this because I already did it. Okay, so once you have the pin number already for this car, you're gonna go to key learning, and key learning can erase all keys, and it's gonna say yes. So we're gonna put the number of keys we're gonna learn. We're gonna learn 2, and the pin number, it goes right here. So I'm gonna take a quick look of the pin number I got. So as you can see, this is the pin number, so we're gonna hit enter. Okay, and it's communicating right now with the car computer. It's doing its job, and now it says turn off for 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5, and then open it and quickly press OK. Alright, establishing vehicle communication. Lights still flashing. Gonna wait. Okay, security verification not passed, so that's not good. Okay guys, so we are here, and as you can see, I already put a replacement cluster. As you can see, it shows the time and the miles now, not like before. It was just blank, and also it was giving me an error code. It was giving me a code that the module was faulty. So now that I have that, I already retrieved the pin code, which is located on hot function, and you're gonna go to mobilizer and keys. You're gonna read the password from the cluster, and once you have that, you're gonna go to key matching, and this function is applied to second, third, and fifth 3.5 generation. So we press OK and check and clear fault memories before matching. Alright, so we select that, and we select this is the first generation. So we're gonna wait. Okay, we're gonna put our pin code, which is 903. Gotta make sure it's the right one. Alright, so that's the right pin code because that's the one I got when I read the module. So press OK, and login succeeds. So next we're gonna choose how many keys we're gonna program on channel 21, and please current number of keys. That's the current number of keys, and we're gonna put the number of keys we want program right now. So we're gonna put 2, and we press OK, and we want to set the number of keys as 2. Check and clear the file memory before matching, and then we're gonna press OK. Writing value, as you can see, the light went off. Set OK, and if the light, as you can see, the light is off. So now we press OK, and we have to take off the keys. Take it off, and then we're gonna insert the other one. Open it 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3. The light is off. Then we put the other key. Okay, so we're gonna program this key. We open the switch, the immobilizer is on, and then we're gonna select key matching. I'm gonna select OK. The immobilizer generation 3, and then it's gonna ask me for the pin code on this car, which is already retrieved by this amazing tool, guys. That's the pin code, and you see login succeed. So we press OK, and the keys are stored in channel 21, and then it's gonna tell you how many keys you want to program. Make sure you have all the keys present. Make sure you have all the keys when you're gonna program because it's gonna ask you for it. So we press OK, and yeah, we want one key only, and as you can see, it's gonna banish the light, and as you can see, the light it's already banished. Now it tells me if you want another key to be programmed, but no, that's the only one I want. I have two, but the other one doesn't work, so this one is just gonna be the control, as you can see, and you can also match the control with this tool. So we're gonna test our key, and the light should go off. That means the key is programmed, and we'll be able to turn on the car. And as you can see, the car is alive, guys. This is pretty much how you do it with this tool. Amazing tool, guys. This will be the end of the video, guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe for more videos. Hit the like button, and see you the next time, guys. Bye.
There are so many things that I left